is Mira from 6B class. Today we are going to make a guacamole sauce. We need 1 tomato, 1 lime, 1 red onion, 2 avocados, some sea salt, and 1 cup of cilantro. Firstly, we need a knife to open avocados. Then we need a spoon to scoop out avocados. We need to add some lime juice to avocados and mash them. Then we need to dice onion and tomato into small pieces. Then we also need to chop up cilantro. Now we need to put cilantro and onion into the mortar with some sea salt. And mash them. Now we are ready to get it all stirred up. Our guacamole sauce is ready. Thank you for watching. If you want to make a guacamole sauce, visit our YouTube channel, Annesininmelegi.